Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Neo 3 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So before we'll start, just make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Simply for checking, you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. However, if you'll decide to download the update, I highly recommend switching into the Wi-Fi because you can avoid some additional charges. Basically, the files which are connected with the updates are large. All right, so after making sure that you've got the internet connection, let's go to the settings. Right here, we have to scroll all the way down to find this option, System and Update. And at the top, we've got System Update, so simply tap on it. Give all the permissions it needs, and as you can see, your device is checking for the updates. And basically, you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second one is where your device will find the update. It will show the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on Download or Install and then apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.